In this video we are going to be analysing SATX. Now this is one of the leading gaps today, being up nearly 30%, but it's also a recent IPO, so there has been a bit of talk around the stock. What are we paying attention to? So obviously, as always, we'll come on to the standard deviation charts because this is where we can get our strong technical levels. And what are we paying attention to if we continue up from where we are? So we're very close to that resistance again, already hit it, but at 68.90. If we break that, we're looking at 72.50. Breaking through there would take us to $86. Again, use this kind of as a zone because at 86.40 is our fourth deviation 6 month, and 86.50 is that third deviation on the 1 year. Again, obviously this stock's not been around for that long, but what this really does, if they're not been around for the 6 month and the 1 year, is on the left that will calculate with its after hours time, and on the right it won't include after hours. So what this really does is just gives you good levels, whether you're looking at a chart with after hours trading and one that does not. Now if we break that, we have final level at 102. Now if we start to fall to the downside, what a key support, so we do have one at 58, going lower would be 53, 44.75, going down to 36.50, $31. Pushing down lower would take us down to $20, 16.90, and then final level down to really $3. So these are the long-term levels. Now how does this look on the intraday? Again, not super clean. Now why is this? Why isn't this as clean as when we normally do the analysis? And the key reason for all of this is that it's trading on, it's a recent IPO. You can kind of see as well by how it's moving, the volume changes so much. It goes from 2,000 shares in that minute to sometimes doing 40,000 shares. So it's just quite an inconsistent stock. Again, a very risky one to trade, not something that I will personally be trading, but people are asking for it, so there is the analysis on it. The key time I'll be focusing on is really when it gets to an extreme, because again, it's a recent IPO, seems to have a lot of traction around it. It can easily push to the either side extremes. If it really pushes to 102, I think it'll be quite an easy short opportunity. And if it starts pushing down to around $35 or $30, again, you can probably get some easy scalp longs on it. Anyway, that is the breakdown on SATX. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.